Hello, and welcome to another update video on Bitcoin. So for those of you who've been following us over the last few days, maybe last few weeks, you already know that here on the daily time frame, I see the current, you could say, correction as a wave 4. And this is a wave 4 highlighted here in the white scenario, which started here at the top. A week ago, when the price hit a new all-time high and the correction started afterwards. Now, we have reached Fibonacci support here on the daily chart. I think we've been eyeing this support area for the last few days, and this this support zone that we're tracking is between $101,569 and $112,954. So it's just a, it's a standard Fibonacci support zone for a wave 4 that needs to hold to keep the overall bullish scenario highlighted here in white intact. It's a roadmap that does allow for the interpretation of one more high, or for the interpretation that, this is simply a corrective pullback and one more high appears very, very likely. Now, the question is, if we get one more high, where could the journey take us? So there are some Fibonacci levels above, but it will really depend on the, let's say, on the microstructures. But here we have some Fibonacci levels around 127,436 and the area around 133,690, 136,520. These are very, very interesting Fibonacci levels and ratios that matter if we get one more high. But please note that these Fibonacci support levels are basically pivots that tell us when probabilities shift, and the probabilities will likely shift if we see a break below 101,569. Also, a 5-wave decline would not be ideal from a bullish point of view. It would actually be quite problematic. So if we get 5 waves down, that would be a bit of a problem. It would indicate that the bears are starting to take the lead. For now, it seems like the bears are anyway leading in the short term, but only in the sense that this is a corrective pullback in a larger uptrend. I do not see it yet as, let's say, beginning of a new downtrend. It's possible. You see it highlighted here in orange. One of the scenarios, and a very probable one, indicates a major top could have formed already, but that is not preferred until we see further evidence for that. Either way, even in the white scenario I'm tracking, a broader wave 4 is what I am basically tracking for. And you will see that on the smaller time frame, A wave down, B wave up, C wave down. This is like a typical wave 4 correction. I mean, it's possible the wave 4 already bottomed, but, we have to at least prepare for a broader wave 4. At the moment, it's basically too early to confirm that we're already in the 5th wave to the upside, and I'll show you why on the smaller time frame. That we'll take a look now. So we have seen a good reaction here to this area around the 23.6 Fib level there at around 112.8K, and the August low, which we talked about as structural support over the last few days. So we had some support here in this area. Yeah, it's the August low. So the market started the next bounce. And from an Elliott Wave point of view, this resistance area is now important. See, the price already reached it from support into resistance. Again, these are parameters that can lead to reactions on the price chart. So we moved from support into resistance. I can already identify a possible impulsive move up, which means I'm interpreting this as wave A of B in the white scenario, right? Remember, this could be a wave 4 correction. And so I said, look, it's worth watching for an A-B pattern in the next few days. So this B wave might be unfolding right now. Support for this B wave pullback, which might be unfolding over the weekend. I think I said that yesterday. We have to prepare that over the weekend. Here a B wave pullback unfolds. So support is between $112,914 and $115,180. And from this support zone, then a C wave to the upside could take the price higher towards 119 to 121K. So this is the support zone to watch for over the weekend. I have to say, though, that this move up looks quite impulsive. So if this pullback is corrective, yeah, it might be an AB, but it might also be a 1-2 pattern. But I need to see all 5 waves to basically confirm that this is not just a B wave rally. The bottom line is, if we get into this support zone here, this is the zone where the bulls have a chance to show up, right? It's like a local trend reversal area. It's a pivot. It's a support zone where the bulls could show up and take the price higher in either a C wave or even a third wave. So both potentials are possible. In both, higher prices would be ideal based on what I see right now in the chart. Now, it would still be good to see a little bit more price action to confirm that further. Like, I want to see more of this correction, how it unfolds over the weekend. Is it really a nice corrective pullback? Do we get bullish divergences to build? Right, those are like the indicators we're observing in the background. So yeah, that's the update at the moment that I have here on Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. If you're interested in the membership, check out our channel page. There's a video that explains the member benefits. Tomorrow on Sunday, 5 p.m. UTC, we've got our weekly member live stream where we cover a lot of additional coins, so you can put requests in, questions, and much more. You also get access to our member-only videos. Today I covered a SUI only a few hours ago for members, so check it out if you're interested. Also the weekly chart included there. Then we cover Ondo. I had a weekly Bitcoin video a few days ago, also very important. So yeah, if you're interested in additional updates, you can find them here. And also, if you're interested, you can join our Discord server. You can do that with a gold membership, and that gives you access also to an Elliott Wave course, a risk management course. I find that very, very important for those who want to learn a little bit more. And there's much more stuff there as well, including even updates on gold and silver, some stocks updates, and much more. Thanks so much. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.